Good day, friends. If you've been delivering with Doordash and want your earnings transferred to your bank account immediately instead of waiting for weekly direct deposits, instant cash out is the way to go. Okay, so firstly we need to set up our debit card and meet the eligibility rules for instant payouts. So you just need to open the Dash app right here, available for both the Apple Store and Google Play Store, of course. And then just open up your earnings tab. Then tap the Fast Pay and enter your debit card number. Keep in mind that Doordash requires you to complete at least 25 deliveries and be on the platform for 2 weeks before unlocking this. Once you add or update the card, Doordash enforces a mandatory 7-day security waiting period before you can cash out, so make sure to link your card early. Next, we can also walk through transferring your money once your card is verified and ready. So you navigate to the earnings tab right here, and then you just tap the red Cash Out with Fast Pay button located right below your earnings balance. Review the payout summary on screen, which will detail your total transfer amount, and then the small transaction fee. And then just tap Confirm Checkouts. And your money is processed immediately and will usually land on your debit card within minutes. Enjoy.